Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a review and demo for the spice shaker, and this is from Kitchen Go. If that sounds familiar, it's because I've reviewed several of their products in the past and they have some really awesome stuff. So I thought this was cool. It has several different benefits. So it is a glass bottle, it has a wide opening so you can easily clean it, refill it. It holds a lot, but best of all, it has adjustable pour holes. So you can either pour it from this one. They have bigger holes if you want more salt, pepper, whatever kind of spice you put in it. And then there's real small holes. So I haven't seen one like that where the lid rotates. So that's really neat. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. So here's what it looks like. It's a pretty decent size. It is all glass, and then it has this brushed stainless steel look to it. There's the lid when it's closed, and you could turn it to rotate it. So there's the pour hole, which is really big. Then we have some bigger holes for shaking it out, and then some smaller ones. And then if you keep turning it, you could just seal that off and shut it. So this also pops off to give you a better look at what that looks like. And then you just unscrew this part to get inside so that you can fill it. And you can see it is glass all the way down with the stainless steel on the outside. This is really nice. So I plan on using mine for pepper since I use so much pepper when cooking. And this was a brand new container. The entire container fit inside here, so it does hold quite a lot. And then you just screw the lid back on and then pop this right over it. Very simple and easy to use. If you guys are interested in purchasing one of these, they can be found on Amazon, and I will have all their information below. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.